So yeah, hey everybody. So tonight I just want to do a short stream where I add more photos to the app. Uh, I intend to add every butterfly in the following book to this app. There's around 80, so we have around 40 to go. So yeah, way less programming, if possibly any at all tonight, and yeah, instead just adding stuff. So last time we had added the checker spot. I think the little wood satyr is going to appear much later. So I moved that down here. So we want to do magic K. We want to convert. We want to really move the what should be a QOI to say like 60. Okay, maybe it actually will be a tiny bit of programming. I just want to update it so that all of these image parts are the QOI format instead of the PNG. So we can do this really quickly with Emacs. So let's see, we want to do run Emacs photos source license. Okay, and then can I zoom out enough that each of these is on a separate line? Yes, that is the case. So now I want to just do a macro. We want to. There's no need for that. Hang on. Yeah, there totally is. I can barely see this. We just want to replace all of the PNGs in this column with QOIs. So let's see. What's the command from this again? We want to do. I have a list of shortcuts. So we want to do. Which was it again? Oh, it's not going to be in here. Oh, we'll just do the dumb thing. Let's instead just select everything and replace PNGs globally with PNGs. So let's see, Control X, replace PNG with QRI. Yes. I think all of these should be QRIs. Okay. Dumb thing, but I should have done the job. And great, this app is smart enough to have automatically updated it. Cool. So now, now let's get back to the image adding aspect. So, yeah, let's move this down. Say here. And let's see, when we go to the the Anicius checker spot, aka the Chalcedon checker spot, aka Euphydries chalcedona. The next is the question mark. Polygonia enterogonatus, this one. Question mark butterfly. Let's see. it looks like we have lots of choices for this one. Maybe, but a bit blurry. Better. A bit underexposed. No. Possibly. Possibly. I'm kind of liking this one. This one is pretty clear though. Yeah, let's go with this one. So we want to save this as we're up to 41 JPEG. This was by Derek Ramsey. Copy this. And what's the license? Okay, we should contact this person. Let's copy this link. So I guess we need to say this is GNU free 1.2. So maybe GNU FDL 1.2. Free document license 1.2. And this is the title. Okay. Okay, next up is the comma. And that's it. Polygonia comma. It's curious that two of these species have been named after, it's like syntax, I guess. So comma, butterfly. Yeah. I'm a bit sad that there's not a section here saying where the name actually came from. I wonder if that's known. Yeah. Many options again. Yeah, how's it going? Heyday. So currently I'm working on an app just so I can learn these animals. The app is, I'm making the app from scratch in Zig using the array-lib libraries. And so currently it looks like the following. Hang on. It's because I haven't copied all of the names in. Since I'm halfway through copying the names in, it's not compiling. But if I actually run the thing, it looks like this. So it's really simple. Basically, like, look at the image and then figure out what it is. So since I've played this many times and have been building it up with each passing day, I know most of these. And yeah, I'm finding this is making this app from scratch like this has been really useful because I've been learning Zig, and so in particular I've done it's enabled me to learn just like mouse input stuff with Zig and Raylib, getting images in, which has been a process, but done likewise with text, random using Zig's random library slightly for randomly choosing the order of these images and randomly choosing some of the incorrect options. And yeah, also using Zig's comp time features to, at compile time, process this SCV file and move a lot of the information from there into null terminated strings in the executable. So yeah, that's what I'm working on at the moment. And yeah, the book I'm going through, the book where I'm getting the list of all of these images from is this one, which I picked up on a trip to the Bay Area 2 years ago. But I've been wanting to do this for ages, and I'm finally getting around to it now. Okay, let's see which of these. Nope, way too blurry, too blurry. Possible, but the aspect ratio is a bit weird. No, no. Blurry. Possible. Bit blurry. A bit blurry again. Possible. Wow, a lot of these are really blurry. This one is really cool though, its profile in particular. Maybe I should go with that. Maybe some of these were okay. I don't know, I'm really... Okay, that's way too blurry, but I'm kind of preferring this one actually, because this is such a peculiar shape. It's so very unique. And I guess maybe here you can actually see the comma where presumably it derives its name from. Let's go with this. Okay, and then what do we need? We need I want its scientific name. So this is it's just called the comma. The URL, the author. Another Judy Gallagher photo. And yeah, presumably she's, Judy's licensed this under the same terms, yeah, as they usually do. And then the title is this thing. Okay, what is up next? The satyr, the Polygonia satyrus. Satyr butterfly. I was looking for something more specific. What was it? Satyrus. Polygonia satyrus. Yeah. This is the one we want. Not as popular as the previous one at all. I mean, okay, but a bit blurry. That one's better. I feel like maybe this one is the option to go with. Yeah, I feel like this has to be it. Okay. Okay. So yeah. This feels like too short of a name. What's the... It's weird that this is also called the Satyr comma. Okay, we'll go with Satya. Alan Schmeier photo. Satyrus, yeah. So yeah, Alan Schleimer, the same as usual. So, okay. Next up is the morning cloak. Quite different from previous ones. And morning as in sadness, not time of day. The Camberwell Beauty. Quite a lot. Maybe. A bit blurry. That one's okay. No. Oh yeah, none of these ones. All of these are dead. Not interested. Okay. And what about these unsorted ones? Oh, this is curious. It almost looks like a fungi, like a type of fungus when its wings are folded. That's really cool. I don't think I've seen an example of an animal try and replicate a fungus before. If indeed that's the the evolutionary explanation. Okay, this should be enough to choose from. No. No. Maybe, but it is pretty small. Okay, we'll say no. No. Possible. No. Possible. No. 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 Okay. So out of these, I feel like this one actually. Although this part is really cool. Yeah, we'll just go with this. I feel like this view is more recognizable. Okay. So Nymphalis Antiochia. Who was this by? Ryan Hotlat. Who I think we've featured before. Yeah. Okay. And then the title. Okay. Okay, what is up next? Milbert's tortoiseshell. Nymphalis milberti. Milbert's tortoiseshell. Approximately. Oh, the only species of the Alligators genus in North America. This one's too blurry. Too blurry. I think this one is going to be it. But we'll see. Okay. No, 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 no. I mean, this one's okay, but actually, it's a bit blurry, like up close. This one is a lot better. No. Better. No. Possible. Okay. Out of these two, I kind of like this one more. But this one's kind of this one you can see the reds, whereas in this one, not so much. Okay, maybe this one's actually the better one to go with. Okay, 45. This is Milbert's tortoiseshell. Tortoiseshell. There are easier ways of figuring out. Oh, this hasn't. Okay. Why spell when you can do that? When you can Control C, Control V. Okay. And it was this one. And who took this? Another Judy Gallagher photo. And okay. Up next is the Red Admiral, Vanessa Atalanta. Red Admiral. This one. Oh, there's quite a few. I was gonna say, it looks more orange than red. Okay, what have we got? Possible. At least with this one, we get to see both. It's anterior, and that one's a good quality. That one's not great. Actually, maybe we do go with this one. This one is a bit bigger. So yeah, definitely a no. So the detail around here is really high. But at least with this you can see those spots there. It's not as clear here. I feel like we should go with this one. Okay. So yeah, the Red Admiral. And who took this one? Another Reinhardt. Okay. So now we have the American Painted Lady, Vanessa Virginianensis or something. American Painted Lady, and I feel like I've come across this butterfly before. I've heard of this name before. Okay. This detail is really surprising. Uh, yeah, like one side almost looks like it's inverted in color. Wow. That's a really good quality. No. This is pretty good. No. Okay. Not as good as the other one. So go no, 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 no. Maybe no. Because at least this one's really big. It's out of frame. Like which part to prioritize? Maybe it should be this side. But then this really is like quite unique. I feel like actually we should go with this. We'll go with this one. I'm unsure. Just aesthetic-wise, I like this one more. Okay, we'll go with this. 47 JPEG. So the American Painted Lady. By Alan Streimer again. Okay, next up, just the Painted Lady, not the American Painted Lady. Oh, there's some featured pictures of this butterfly. Okay, better use one of these. Oh, come on, this is a bit blurry. How did this make featured image status? That one's pretty good. That one's even better. That one's okay. I feel like we have to go with this one. Okay. As 48. So yeah, this is the Vanessa Kadui. By Rominger Friedrich. Ooh, what is this going to cause an error, given that it has a non-ASCII character in it? We'll have to see. We will see. Okay. 2.5. If we get an error, we know probably what went wrong. Some of those other ones were pretty good as well, so we might even be able to just choose another featured image. in this category. Namely this one, if it comes to it. It's interesting, yeah, this species is also called the thistle butterfly, because they prefer thistles as their nectaring source, which we see in that one, I guess. The West Coast lady, Vanessa Annabella. What's the time? 9 p.m. Not too many options. Yeah. I'm currently at the stage where I'm just adding more stuff to this app. So let's see. So if I do run emacs main.zig, I've written the app in Zig. I'll show you what the app looks like so far. I'm just creating a app for myself so I can learn the names of all of the butterflies in this book I picked up when I was visiting some friends in the Bay Area. So yeah, this is Spice Bush, Holder Blue, and yeah, there might be some Zig programming later if Beringer Friedrich's name causes some parsing error in the comp time pass that we have here. Hopefully not, but we'll see. It may come to that. But yeah, at the moment, I'm just doing the kind of the art or the data side of this. I feel like this is the one to go with. The others are a bit blurry. I mean, this one's a bit blurry too, but at least it's larger than the others. Okay, so Vanessa Annabella. And here by Renee, who we haven't used any of their stuff before from memory. Copy this. Okay. Let's add one more. The Buckeye, Genoa Coena. Buckeye. Mogo has said, I'd be surprised if it breaks anything. UTF-8 is designed so that text processing code written in ASCII in mind will often kind of just work. Oh yeah, this is good to know. The less string formatting encoding standards I need to do, the better. Yeah, I've typically, most of the a couple months ago I wasn't programming in Zig but in Odin, and one of the things I enjoyed, at least in Odin, was that strings were UTF-8 by default, and in fact, like, Odin also had a built-in string type as well. But yeah, I don't mind that in Zig we just say like parentheses const u8 or parentheses :0 for null terminated. Okay, this is a cool butterfly. Lots of eyes to scare off predators, I guess. Oh, this one's good. We get to see its underside too. Okay, let's have a look. Maybe a bit blurry, pretty crystal clear, pretty clear, pretty clear as well. That's decent. No. I'm torn, like we get to see both, but seeing everything in total is more interesting, I think. Oh, maybe this is a compromise. Maybe there's some better ones which are not just on flowers. That one's pretty good. This looks like a Halloween appropriate butterfly. I love it. Like evolution has just figured out how to display eyes two-dimensionally, kind of. Okay. I think this should be enough choice. Let's see. A bit blurry. Okay, but still a bit blurry. No. That's pretty clear. Less clear. That's exceptionally clear. Maybe we go with this one. No. Yep, okay. Let's go with this. Okay, so this was just the Buckeye. By Judy Gallagher. Judy Gallagher has contributed a lot of work tonight. A very prolific photographer. Okay. Okay, let's just try compiling everything so far. And we need to do some conversions. So let's see, we want to move what was 60. We want to move what was 60 to 51. And we're gonna, last time we did a lot of tedious manual conversions from PNGs over, so let's actually just remove all of those. And then now we want to convert 41 through to 50. Okay. Later on, I'll look around for some Zig code that will allow us to write a script to convert all of these in a better way than what I'm currently doing, but if it takes less than a minute for me to do this and 10 minutes to write a script, then I will opt for the fastest version, even if I feel like I'm violating some fundamental programming law in doing so. For the moment, but again, long term, the plan is there. If I can even type when I'm talking, which apparently I cannot. You want that was wrong. Okay. And that should be everything. Yeah. Let's get rid of the JPEGs. And then try compiling this. Zip build run. Okay, and that did. Hurrah. Let's save what we've done so far then. Actually, before we do, it's going to take a while to send this stuff to GitHub, so let's, oh, that's right, PowerShell has this, like, new feature. Okay, so let me run the app and play with it while GitHub does its thing. So yeah, all of these changes, added more photos, got rid of .png files. Okay. Well, that's saving. Let's have some fun. That's the little yellow, the anise, the Baltimore, the spice bush, the cloudless, clouded sulfur, the silver bordered flittery, the this is the comment. This is the question mark. No, it's not. Wait, something doesn't feel right. This isn't the American snout, or the hair streak, or the wood saddie, or the harvester. What's going on? Yeah, something's not right. Because like bloody Windows isn't capable of showing these. Let's just deal with the fact that, let's just get an image viewer that can actually view these files. We tried doing this last time with like ifran image viewer, but from memory there was a portable version of this, but I didn't see it. So then we tried the Cactus image viewer, but that hasn't yet had compatibility for QoI stuff. Okay, if I just search this thing portable. I mean, I might have to invoke admin privileges to install this. Well, I mean, if this is linking to it, then I guess this is official, probably. Okay, we can go to virus total and just make sure. this isn't, at least do a basic check that this isn't evil. It seems to be fine even though one of them doesn't like it. Okay. No, this is weird. Like portalas.com shouldn't be in the installer. No, we're not using this one. That's really weird. Come on, just give me like a single. Oh, is this what we want? It's just. But when we did this yesterday, and it still wanted. None of these were portable from memory. Oh no, it is here. Great. Okay, we found the portable version, even though it didn't say it was portable. Okay, great. Let's then move this to software. Then we can add this to the path. Okay. And then it's just iview.exe. Okay. So now we can actually view these ones again. So so now we want to go. We're gonna have to restart this. So we want to do iframe view. When did we start adding this? So I claim this one is the like question mark. So 41. Oh, come on. Do we need to install? Install the updates plugins from view page and or enable the plugin help installed plugins menu. Okay. Go to download plugins and download the newest plugins. I don't see downloads here. This wasn't the place we wanted. We wanted this one. So where's the plugins? Not all plugins have been ported to 64, maybe? Which one do we want? This one, I think. Download this, please. Dear friend, it appears you hate ads. Yes, I do. Crypto donate. Like, get out of here. Okay. Where are these plugins? Like, what do we need to... Where exactly do we move these? Do we just copy them all in here? Can try. Readme install. Otherwise, unzip all the files into the plugin subdirectory. Okay, that's what we want to do. So, Control A, Control C, Control V. Let's just replace these. Okay. Let's try again. And it works, great. Only took us 10 minutes to actually find. I mean, thank you, Windows, for making a default image viewing app that can display these. Not like I wanted to spend 10 minutes figuring that out. Okay. Hang on a sec. One moment. Okay. Okay, so what's this bug? 41 is the question mark, but question mark isn't here. What's going on? We can see. So I'm not expecting to click on any of these and it's gonna work. No. So for whatever reason it said this was DeSantis. Like what? Why? Like why is that one wrong? The rest of these seem to be fine. We should at least check that clicking on the wrong options fails. So this is not the little yellow, it's not the grey hair streak, and it's not the anise. So it is the tiger, yeah. This is the coral hair streak. So yeah, fail, 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 that's fine. This is weird. Why was it failing? Could it be that when we chose the woods, the image associated to the wood satyr is incorrect? Yeah, so I guess this is going to be the reason. Let's just copy. Yeah, if we go through 50. Yeah, that was the American Painted Lady, West Coast Lady, the Buckeye. But see, 51.qoi, that's here. What? 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 This is really weird. Let's continue looking through the app to see if... Let's run the app again in case... to see if another error appears. This is so weird. So yeah, the Baltimore checker spot, the orange sulfur, the black swallowtail, clouded sulfur, banded hair streak. This is the zebra swallowtail. No. I guess the pearl crescent, the giant, the anise, the western tiger, silver bordered, the brown elfin, pipevine, the snout, American snout, silvery blue. Oh no, this was the eastern tail blue. Checkered white. So yeah, here again is this bug. What on earth is going on? Let's look up all of these. So if we do the clouded sulfur, this is apparently image 12. Okay, so if we do iView 12.qi, yeah, that's fine. And then the Littlewood, okay, yeah, but we already looked at the Littlewood SATI, and that was fine. Could there possibly be like 2 of these? No, it's just 51, and 51 is here. Like, then it's silvery checker spot. $36. And then the brown elfin, which, like, what? Which we already looked at before as well, and then which was not it. And it's confusing that this is like this is the same error as before, and the other images don't seem to have errors in them. What could be going on? I mean, okay, maybe we should even check this stuff is correct for the question. Yeah, so this is question mark. No, it's I don't know why it says this, like, hate Wisconsin. Okay, maybe we should search on that instead. KH Yeah, okay, yeah. So it seems it's like this is meant to be the Littlewood SATI, but it's failing for some reason. Question is why? Well, like, how's it getting this texture wrong? It's kind of concerning. The highest ID I'm seeing here is 45 and not 50. Could it be that we've reached some texture limit? And upon reading a texture limit, it's refusing to load any others? Okay, if this is the case, then I would expect to see something failing for some other ones. Let's continue testing this and see if there's other fails. Okay. See, that's fine. Um, mm, mhm. It's this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to think about this. So I might stop very soon. And then next time we can figure out what this bug is. But I suspect it's. I have a hint. I have an inkling it's something to do with these textures. Just this one little copper. No. So yeah, no. Silvery chocolate. I'm wanting to see some of these new ones, but I'm not seeing these new ones yet. Have we saved this? Hang on. I feel like we did. I'm also just yeah, I'm also a bit concerned that I'm not seeing these names we just added in the text here. Yeah, what is going on? Okay, so we can save this. Oh, it's not compiling. Okay. Let's get this compiling before we move on. Okay. Unable to open 52.qi. What? Okay, there's a bunch of extra stuff. What about now? Oh, so we need to raise comp time limits by the looks of it. Wow. In pass input, 153. So we need to increase it beyond 100,000, really? Index 51 outside of array length of 51. Let's open this file again and check what is going on. Full screen, please. I think this was expecting a new line here. Okay. I think that was actually it. Let's try one more time. Okay, and now we're actually up to the proper texture limit. Okay. Um, okay, let's save it here, and then I'm just gonna hope the bug that was there was just due to me not compiling it or some kind of weird compiler error so far. We can check it out. Okay, we're seeing Red Admiral now. This is good. It's now at least loading. It has loaded in these other ones, and the real test will be. Okay, yeah, this is one of the new ones, right? This was the American Painted Lady, Red Admiral. Okay, things seem to be working at least for now. Okay, I'm satisfied with how it's currently working. Okay. Okay. I'm going to save this then. Added in more butterflies. Actually remembered to save the.csv. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna call it a night here. Thanks everyone who stopped by, who said hi, and yeah, I'll pick this up tomorrow as usual. Until then, have a good night.